Hello students, I am Mrs. Richa Malik from Bansal Classes Aligarh Study Center. Today I am going to do the topic of tenses. Tenses, as we all know, in simple language they denote time. Tenses are of three types: present, past and future. These tenses are further divided into four different forms: simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So in our day-to-day life we get confused as to which tense we have to use and how we have to use. So today in this session I am going to give you some tips and tricks as to how to use these tenses correctly. Let's check it out with some examples. Now, when I last met her, she dash as a programmer. We have to fill work in it. Over here, met represents your simple past tense. That means the talk has been translated to the back time, means last met her. So simple past tense, it will be followed by past continuous tense. Like when I last met her, she was working. She was working as a programmer. So whenever the sentence has simple past and you are told about something at that time, that means you have to conclude it by past perfect tense. When I last met her, she was working as a programmer. Next, I think India dash soon emerge as the next superpower. Over here, you are thinking of something in the context of future. Next superpower means something in the future. So we'll use the simple future tense. Like, I think India will soon emerge as the next superpower. Whenever you are thinking of something and having a future perspective, we use a simple future tense. So, I think India will soon emerge as the next superpower. Coming on to the third one, I dash revise all these lessons by Saturday. Over here, again, the sentence is about the perspective of future. Means it is telling you that what you are going to do in the future. By Saturday means a deadline has been given to you. By hook or by crook, you have to complete that by Saturday. In this case, we use future perfect tense. Like, I will have revised. I will have revised all these lessons by Saturday. Okay, so now this is clear because a deadline has been given. So you will say, I will have revised all these lessons by Saturday. Wherever this by comes, you have to use future perfect tense. Next, when he retires in August, he dash work in this office for 30 years. Now again, this is a future perspective sentence. You are talking about the future in terms in the present age. So when he retires in August, what he will be doing? So he will have been working. He will have been working in this office for 30 years. In context of future, what he would have been doing? He will have been working in this office for 30 years. Next, we dash will or shall start the meeting as soon as the chairman arrived. First of all, half of the sentence we will look. We will or shall start the meeting. Over here we will use will, because will is used for surety and shall is having a lesser probability. So it is definitely that we have to start the meeting. So we will start the meeting. We will start the meeting as soon as the chairman, when the chairman will come, then only we are going to start the meeting. So as soon as the chairman arrives. As soon as the chairman arrives, because it is the present form. Next, she dashed from malaria for a week, but mother thought she had recovered. That means she was suffering from malaria, isn't it? For a week. When something is being continuously going on, then we use the perfect continuous tense. Over here, like she dashed from malaria for a week means she is already suffering and it's been a week, but her mother thought she had recovered. Now, had recovered will give you the past perfect notion. So over here, if past is implied, then we have to use past perfect continuous tense, like she had been suffering. Okay, she had been suffering from malaria for a week, but mother thought she had recovered. When something is going on in a continuous process, we use perfect continuous depending upon the whether the sentence has a present tense or it has a past tense within it. Over here, but mother thought she had recovered showed you the past form. That is why we have used had been suffering. Next, it dash rained continuously for 2 hours. Now, it's been raining for 2 hours and there is nothing else, means it still is in the continuation form. And whenever the thing is in some continuation form, we use the perfect continuous tense. And over here, there is no demarcation of past, either of the future. So we are going to use present perfect continuous tense. Like it has been raining. It has been raining for 2 hours. So it's a continuous process. We'll use present perfect continuous tense. Next on list is we dash to zoo on Sunday. There are two forms over here. Means there either some planning has been done or something which has been already done. So both can come over here, like we, if in a future moment we are saying, so we will say we will go to zoo on Sunday. Means on Sunday, this is our plan. And the other thing also is we went to zoo on Sunday. Both are correct because there is no mention of anything else. So that is why these both forms can be used. Both are correct. Next, our plane dash already dash off. Wherever this already comes, we have to use had. Okay, our plane had already taken off. Past perfect tense, because something that has been done already. So we'll use past perfect tense. Our plane had already taken off. Next, the principal dash just dash sent for you. That means we are talking about something in the present. Just means in the present form. So the principal has just sent for you. This would be the present perfect form. Okay, the principal has just sent for you. Just now he has sent for you. That is why with already we use had and with just we use has. and the third form of were. I hope all these sentences are clear. For more clarity, stay tuned in to Bansal classes. Get admission in it. Today we are doing it in online mode, but very soon we will be coming in the offline mode as well. So get admission and we will meet you soon. Thank you.